Hi there, welcome to My Career Doctor.
I am the best I can do. I am the best I can do.
Actually, I'm interested to talk to you.
I'm very happy. I'm very poor, ma'am. Please give me some money for it. Oceans apart, day after day.
Those who want to be rich now, they have the very different and distinguished mindset.
If you won't be an actor, then what you will do?
Why I always compromise?
Through the darkest of days, heaven's heartbreak.
What do you do?
I'm an architect.
A teacher.
Yes.
That's good, very nice. And in future, I also want to be a teacher.
Poor people invest in liabilities, but rich people invest in assets.
में वही सामने में पीछे में ही आप बना लीजिएगा while reading. नमस्कार, मैं हूं प्रकाश सिंह आजाद और आप देख रहे हैं माय करियर डॉक्टर. I read English newspapers 70% every day. The Hindu. I watch English news, learn grammar and difficult words. Still not able to speak in English. Asked by Pankaj Mathur, a viewer of My Career Doctor. My dear friends, this is not the problem of Pankaj. It happens with 80% English learners. Why do they fail? Why they are not able to learn and speak in English? It's a very, very common problem. Let's suppose somebody giving you advice, or I give you advice that eating dal roti is better. What you have started is 24/7. I mean morning, afternoon, evening and night. You have started eating dal roti always. You are not eating anything else, or if you are eating, you are not eating in right way. You are eating a lot because somebody told you that eating dal roti is good for health. You are making mistake if you kindly pay attention there. Always eating dal roti is not good. You getting this now? So reading newspaper a lot is not good. Instead of focusing to the quantity, we should focus to the quality. How much you are reading or how much you have knowledge, that never ever matters. What matters is how you read that newspaper. What quality do you focus there? It's very common. The people will give you suggestion that read newspaper, and especially the Hindu, read anything a lot, you will learn to speak in English. No, it's not the solution. What is the solution and what should we do to learn English exactly, and especially while reading newspaper? See, my suggestion would be to you guys that if first find yourself, where do you stand? Are you a beginner, intermediate level or at advanced level? If you are a beginner, do not read newspaper. If you are at intermediate level, then you can read newspaper. And if you are at advanced level, then yes, of course, the Hindu, editorial, the Indian Express editorial is good for you. So what should I do? Let's suppose you are a beginner, then you should read the book like Champak. It's a great book. If you do not find this hard copy or the book available in your area because of lockdown, then you can get the ebook. I have given you the link in the comment section. From there you can click and start reading this. Reading a lot is not the solution. So whatever you are reading, you should understand the meaning. And if you do not understand, underline the difficult words, learn them and then read that again, you will understand, because it's a very easy book. So understanding this book is great idea, otherwise it will be very, very difficult for you to understand newspaper. So this is great. Right, I'll tell you in the last pro tip that what you should do after reading. Let's suppose this is a newspaper. In the starting, I would not suggest you to read Indian Express or the Hindu, and especially editorials. So what you should do is, you should read this newspaper. First, find out Do not focus to quantity a lot, focus to quality. Focus a newspaper. You getting this now? Find a local news, not very difficult. I mean, international news, economic news, business news, or political news or editorial. You should find a news which is very common. It may be like news related to movies, news related to cricket. Let's suppose I have interest in cricket or I find the local news. So I should, at a day, I should not read 70% newspaper. I should find a news about cricket and which is very small news. There I'll focus, underline and read that once. If I do not understand, I'll read that again. I'm damn sure you will understand 20, 30, 40 until 50% you can understand. Like I said, instead of focusing a lot of news, you should focus in the starting till a month, one news only. Simply underline that news, and once you underline that news, read that within Manhiman. Underline the difficult words, then take a dictionary either online or offline or through Google, find the correct words, write in the diary. Once you write it down, after writing, learn those words and then read that news once again. A day, you should focus to one news only, and that should not be editorial or economic times or anything which you do not understand. It should be very similar to your consciousness, which you can understand very easily. So the whole day, your target is to read one news every day. Let's suppose kids have a unique way of using emoji. Kids के पास बहुत ही unique way होता है emoji use करने का. इसी news को आप focus कीजिए. Just underline, underline the difficult words and read that so many times. Trust me. Focusing one news a day and focusing the whole day so many times would be a great idea. Then, do not learn the words only. Learn the uses of words and use them into spoken. Do not learn and cram the grammar only. Focus to the basic grammar which can help you to speak in English. These are the things if you apply to your speaking English, I'm damn sure you would be able to speak in English. Apart from that, like I said you in the last, I'll give you a pro tip. See, my dear friends, there is a process of learning anything called recall. Either it may be active recall or passive recall. First, you should identify what you are reading. You identify that kids have a unique way using emoji, right? Then you should underline, learn it so many times. And through active recall means what? Once you learn, now the news is in your mind. So what you can do is, by speaking in front of mirror or to talking to your friend about the news, can help you to learn the words and practice. This is called active recall. Through this, your brain actively participates, your mouth participates, your mind participates, and you get habitual of speaking. What is the problem with we guys is that we read and just forget. Simply close the book and put there in the rack. We forget. So this is called passive recall. So through active recall, you can read this many times. And if you read it many times, I'm damn sure, after reading it many times, you should talk to your friends about the topic. You should speak in front of the mirror, or you could make your own video through selfie mode of your cell phone camera. And trust me, that is going to be a great way to practice this. And if you apply these ways, I'm damn sure will help you a lot to understand and speak English. Tell me please through comment that how was this video? Is it helpful? And if you apply, how much it helps you? Because that motivates us a lot. We have another channel named Sikshit Bharat Shrestha Bharat that helps you to do and teach you things a lot. Thank you very much for watching, my great doctor. Stay happy and be the best, like always. Jai Hind.